Earthquake. 4.1 quake strikes off coast of Northern California. A shallow magnitude 4.1 earthquake was reported Sunday morning 33 miles from Cape Town, Calif. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, the tremor occurred at 1:35 a.m. Pacific Time. According to the USGS, the epicenter was 46 miles from Fortuna, Calif., 52 miles from Eureka, Calif., and 58 miles from Bayside, Calif. In the past 10 days, there has been one earthquake of magnitude 3.0 or greater centered nearby. Petrolio is an unincorporated community in Humboldt County, California, 10 miles southeast of Cape Mendocino, at an elevation of 121 feet above sea level. Petrolio was the site of the first oil well drilled in California.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.